Example number 4, it says use a calculator and the divisibility test to find the prime factorization. Now, let me ask you this. What do I need to do in order, or what method do I use to find the prime factorization? How do I do that? Vivian? Factor trees, exactly. So Vivian, since you came up with that, what's the first two that you want to use?
10 and 72.
10 times 72. That gives us 720. Perfect. Okay? Let's see. Zachary, what you got? For 10. 5 and 2. Hang on there. Who's got 72 for me? Elise? 12 and 6. Okay? Now, Emma, what about 5 here? It's prime, so I'm circling it. Barrett, what about 2? Prime, I'm circling it. All right. Bailey, what about 12? I'm sorry, say again? 6 and 2, I like it. Okay, 6 times 2. Good. And what about the 6 over here, Evan?
6 and 3 and 2.
3 and 2. I like that. Okay, so we got a few branches still left to trim here. Moreau, what about 6? All right, break that down into 3 and 2. Okay. Emily, what about the 2 here? It's prime. Jenna, what about the 3 here? That's also prime. Elizabeth, what about the 2 here? Prime. All right, Hannah, 3 here? Prime. Good. Rowan, 2 here? Prime. Any branches left to look at? No. The tree has been pruned. How about that? Okay. I'll write in blue. What's the first number I should write down? Raise your hand. Daniel.
3.
No. And you will get taken off for this, won't you? You will. You didn't on your quiz, but Mr. C made a point of showing you don't do it this way. Barrett? Least to greatest. So what should I write down first? Is it 2 to the 4th? I'm going to do this 2. I'm just going to write it out in expanded form first. Okay? And I'm sorry, Barrett, what else do I have? 3 more 2s. Okay, that's 1. Another one, 2. And another one. All right, so now I've got 4 2s. That's taken care of. Where do I go from there? David?
You have 2 3s.
2 3s. So I've got this one, and I've got that one. Okay. What else do I still have? Elise? A 5. And there we go. Now let me ask you something. Would I get full credit if I put that on my test?
No.
Oh yeah. That's fine. We can give our answer in expanded form. But we can also write it in exponential form. Who would like to give it to me in exponential form? Moreau? Yes, ma'am? Yes, ma'am? Perfect. Perfect. Done. Question, Barrett?
What if like on the test, since there's several other ways to get 72, like 8 times 9.
Sure.
You'd get 1 more 3.
No, you wouldn't. You wouldn't. You always get the same thing, Hannah, regardless of which ones we choose, right? Because if I put 8 times 9, then I'm going to get 3 times 3, but that's this 3 over here. Do you see? And over here with 8, it's going to be 2 times 2 times 2. So instead of having this 3 over here, it would move over here. And this 2 would move over there. Okay, do you see? You're always going to get the same thing regardless of which numbers you choose. Great job. Let's look at the next one.